So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find cat-friendly rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go to the location bar, type in your location. I will use New York City for this demonstration. So once you're here, I want you to go to the top left area where it says pets and then press on the drop down. By default, you don't have either of these selected, but if you're looking for places that are cat friendly, at the very least, make sure that where it says cats allowed, that box is selected, and then press on view results. Now, once you press on that, it's actually going to refine your search even further to rentals that only, or I guess that offer cat friendly places. So, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find cat friendly rentals on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.